The first step to upgrading the firmware for your R36AH is to open an internet browser and type in alfa.com.tw and then hit the enter key. From Alfa's website, we're going to click on the download tab. Then we're going to click on Wi-Fi router. On this page, you'll need to scroll down on the right until you can see the R36AH selection. From in here, we're going to click on the 1.0 version or the newest version that you would like to update for your R36AH. After it downloads, I like to click show in folder and then drag this download to my desktop or somewhere else that is easy for you to find. We can now minimize out of this, close our web browser. Now make sure to connect your computer to your R36AH router with an Ethernet cable going into the R36AH's LAN 1 port. Now open an internet browser, and in the browser you're going to type 192.168.36.1 and hit the enter key. This will take you to the login screen for your R36AH router. Go ahead and create a password. And in the second box, you will repeat this same password. Click submit. From here, you will click system and then system maintenance. We are going to click on off where it says keep current configuration, and then we are going to click on the file tab. Here, go find your new firmware. I put mine in desktop. Click it, click open, click upgrade. This will take a couple minutes, so I'm going to speed the video up to after the changes have been applied. Once it says waiting for changes to be applied 1 second, you will need to reconnect to your R36AH. Click on your Wi-Fi icon and then click on the R36AH again to connect to it. If you're not automatically redirected to this page, you can type back in 192.168.36.1. If you're automatically connected, or if you've typed it back in, go ahead and create a new password. When doing a firmware update, the password will be reset, so you'll need to recreate a password. Repeat your password in the second password box as well, and then click submit. If everything has gone correctly, you will see that you now have firmware version 1.0 or whichever firmware version you upgraded your R36AH to. Thank you for watching. Please visit us at rockland.com for further videos and questions.